Hello kids! So in this video, we're going to learn about risky behaviors. When two people feel strongly attracted to each other, they may want to be as close as possible. They may feel ready to get married. When they reach the legal age for marriage, reach 20, they can get married and get closer. Sex is one way of being very close and loving to someone we are attracted to. However, premarital sex or sex outside marriage is not encouraged in our culture. Our culture does not allow a boy and a girl to stay overnight together, even if they do not have sex. There is an exception if they are in a group or with their families. This may lead to contracting AIDS and sexually transmitted disease or STDs and unplanned pregnancies. AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. AIDS is caused by a virus called HIV, the Human Immunodeficiency Virus. This virus weakens our body's immune system, leaving it unable to fight off illnesses. Some infected people might not even know they have the disease. The HIV living in our body can go undetected for months before any signs of illness. We can get infected with HIV from anyone who is infected, even if he or she looks healthy. The blood, vaginal fluids, semen, and even breast milk of infected people can infect other people. Most people get infected through the sharing of needles with infected people, being born of an infected mother, or drinking the breast milk of an infected woman, having sex with an infected person. Therefore, having sex with a person whose background we do not know can be very risky. There are drugs that slow down the HIV and the damages to our immune system. However, at this moment, there is no cure or even vaccines for AIDS. Therefore, a patient with HIV will usually die after a long suffering from various illnesses. Besides AIDS, there are also other diseases that are transmitted through sexual intercourse. These diseases are known as sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. Some examples of STDs are gonorrhea, hepatitis, and chlamydia. Unplanned pregnancies. Having premarital sex can lead to unplanned pregnancies. Unplanned pregnancies will change the lives of the couples involved and their immediate families. Imagine you have just realized that you are pregnant. Can you accept this situation and break it to your parents and partner? How are you going to cope with your studies? Are you willing to change your active fun lifestyle for this situation? Are you going to keep the baby or give it up for adoption? Imagine you have realized you are pregnant. Who will help you to take care and finance your pregnancy? If you are going to keep your baby, who will help you to take care and finance your baby? Will your partner support you throughout the years to come? How will other people look at you? What if your partner got pregnant? Do you think you are responsible for your partner's pregnancy? Are you willing to take responsibility for your partner's pregnancy? Whom will you seek help and support from to handle your partner pregnancy? Will you inform your parents regarding your partner's pregnancy? Will you advise your partner to keep the baby or give up the baby for adoption? Will you continue with your studies or find work so that you can give your partner financial support during her pregnancy? How are you going to take care of her and the baby? How will your family react to this shocking news? Will they be able to accept it? Will they support your decision? It will not be easy for everyone. Remember that abortion is against the law. Once you are pregnant, you should either keep the baby or give up the baby for adoption. Factors that might lead to early sexual activities. Wearing revealing clothes such as short pants or short skirt with low cut blouse will attract unnecessary attention. Spending time alone with a friend of the opposite sex in a private place, such as a bedroom or dormitory, will send wrong ideas to the other. Too much physical contact between boys and girls is not appropriate too. Taking too much alcoholic drinks and drugs will make us lose our self-control and consciousness. We might end up doing things that we will regret later. Reading or watching pornographic materials will prompt a person to act out what he or she sees. Curiosity among teenagers and lack of information or knowledge about sex and the consequences of sexual activities can lead them to try it out or to experiment with it. Avoiding early sexual activities. We should know how to maintain a healthy relationship with the opposite sex. Men should honor women. Women should keep a certain distance from men. Avoid spending time alone with the opposite sex in private places. We should wear decent clothes. Do not expose yourselves to alcoholic drinks and drug abuse. Do not engage yourselves in pornographic materials, but in some active and healthy activities. We should leave, scream, or escape when we are not comfortable with a certain situation. In addition, we should know how to maintain friendship with friends of the same sex and opposite sex. Whenever we encounter any problems, we should talk to our parents or teachers to find solutions. Thanks.